Hi guys and welcome to Crushit. You might have seen this aluminium foil ball trend going around, so I thought I'll have a go. Now you've got to bear with me, my face is burnt from skiing. But yeah, let's just get on with it. Get a bit of aluminium foil, scrunch it layers of layers into a ball, smash it with a hammer a couple times, sand it over, and then get a nice shiny aluminium foil ball. Little ball. See how it goes. That's pretty compact already. Let's keep going. It's pretty round, nice and compressed. Okay, now for the sanding. So here we have some 3M super fine sandpaper that we use for this. It's spongy, so it can really curve around the ball and give it a really nice finish. Oh no, it's okay. And there we go, there is the finished product. It's pretty round. I tried to sand it down with the thinnest sandpaper and it didn't turn out too bad. It's my first attempt. It's actually a lot harder than I thought it would be. I didn't get it exactly like a mirror finish. I think that's extremely hard, but I'm happy with this. But now let's go and crush it. Take a look at it, press that pattern on there. Now it's just a very solid piece of aluminium plate, much thinner than before. The air has completely been forced out, so there's way less air gaps, so it is a lot denser now compared to me just whacking it with a hammer. So I hope you enjoyed the video guys, thank you very much for watching, and remember to just crush. I've only had 3 hours sleep today and I've been in Switzerland, France and the UK, and I'm back here because this is the only day I can do a video, so I might look a bit tired, but yeah. You might have seen this aluminium foil. Oh, it's flipping bird. Thank you.